Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We now go to the business review. Raw materials can be expensive when you are a creative. In this week's episode of the Business Review, we explore a company in the creative industry and how it manages to work around hefty prices for raw materials. Aisha Nation has that story.
Lizzie's Trinkets provides resin crafted items. The list is always extending because I'm always adding new creative ideas. So I started out with keyrings. I added jewelry items.
An idea, research, support, and investment. Now the company is not yet a year old, but has already begun seeing an increase in its revenues.
The molds or the machines that you might use, those are investments on a larger scale. So the initial investments on like resin is what I would really calculate, the resin or the findings to make other items.
So exclude your fixed assets.
Yes, those would be the fixed assets. So for the immediate stuff, I would say about 60 to 70%.
Jamaica's creative industry can be challenging, but to all problems there are solutions, and Lizzie's Trinkets and More has found a way to navigate the creative industry in Jamaica to sustain her business.
Resin is a very costly item, whether you're buying it locally or to bring it in. So majority of that was actually to buy resin, and then gradually monthly I would try to get additional molds and be experimenting with other items. So gradually that cost of initial investment has increased because personally you've used whatever savings you can monthly. You put it, instead of putting it for social, you would put it towards investing it in the business. So that's how I maintain, and I haven't paid myself from the business, so once something is sold, it tends to go back into the business.
Now Ms. McFarlane, who is a single mom, says that she has plans to expand the company. She says one of her inspiration is her son, as she wants to set a good example if he intends to open his own company in the future. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.